Do you know someone who's amazing but never brags about it? Or maybe that's you. Today's word is self-effacing.
Because I'm self-effacing.
You're too self-effacing. It's not manly.
A self-effacing person is humble, modest, and quietly confident. They never steal the spotlight, but still impress everyone around them. It's a lovely word to describe someone who's genuinely modest, not fake, just naturally kind and down to earth.
Maybe you're self-effacing, Barbie?
Can you explain to your readers that I'm being charmingly self-effacing?
Here are example sentences using self-effacing. 1. She's so talented, but she's self-effacing and never talks about her achievements. 2. I admire how self-effacing he is, even when everyone praises him. Okay, tomorrow's word will help you describe things that go unnoticed. Perfect for being sharp in conversation. Make sure to tune in. Have a nice day ahead.